So, today's edition of Nothing. Nothing. So, if you're new to this series, it's just I don't have any planned agenda. I don't have any. I don't have anything that I plan to say. Whatever comes in my mind, I share. Thing is, the beauty of this talk is comes from the heart. So some people like it, and yeah, I guess some like it, and many others like, what the fuck. So anyway. So many things go through your head, you know. Have you, I'm just asking, have you ever thought, you get up every day, you get up, then you'll go brush your teeth, or now it is, you get up and check your smartphone and go through Facebook, go through chat, go through WhatsApp, go through headlines, updates, check your game and see what is the progress and rewards. And half an hour goes there only. Before the smartphone and internet days, when we used to get up, we used to go like a zombie. We used to go to the toilet and brush your teeth and have a bath, and because you knew you had to go to work. This is before the social media and smartphone days. Funny when I talk about it, I feel I'm as if I'm a grandfather talking about the good old days. You remember when your parents used to tell you, in my days, I did not have even chappal, not even slipper. we used to walk 10 kilometers just to go collect vegetable and come back. And we used to go 5 kilometers, go to school. And then we used to go to the field and work. So I used to listen to my parents and elders and used to think like, what the fuck are you talking, man? Shut up. Who the fuck is interested in your nonsense? That's why today when I talk, I sound like a grandfather. I'm pretty sure the youngster, what the fuck are you talking, man? Shut up. And they have this term they call boomer. It's supposed to be like a kind of a derogatory term, but I look at it as reality. So today when you get up, you check your smartphone, half an hour goes there, 45 minutes goes there. Then if you are a typical employee, obviously you have to go to the toilet and freshen up, and washroom. Toilet anyway you have to go. Then washroom, fresh, brush your teeth, have a bath, shower, quickly dress up, and grab your bloody coffee and run out. Or if you are good at time management, you'll eat a proper breakfast and go. But most of us, what we do is take our coffee cup, that nice portable this thing, sit in a car if you have a car, like a boss, place it nicely, check everything, put on the FM or radio or MP3. Nowadays, those days it used to be FM, and they used to talk nonsense and play songs. Today it is MP3, CD, DVD, YouTube. You can even put your smartphone and listen to a podcast. Oh, times are changed, man. Okay, so you put all this and then you drive. It's funny. You drive like an automated machine, you know. It's like a machine. You know, I don't know if you saw this animated cartoon of a rat. He gets up and same like a human being, gets up, has a shower, brushes teeth, goes to the toilet and puts on his hat and goes in a crowded then goes in a crowded train and goes in a crowded bus, crowded taxi, goes to work. You know, they show like the life of a human being, like the rat race, you know. So life is like that, you know. You just go every day you repeat the same process. Get up and check your phone and go to the washroom and take your coffee, rush to the car and grab a snack on the way, or go to the office and go to the pantry, have another coffee, sit on your desk. Meeting with the office colleagues you don't like because you don't have a choice, even if he's an asshole. But here's the funny thing, you know, you think he's an asshole, he thinks you're an asshole. So who actually is the asshole? You know, you sitting in your own head think, he's a piece of shit, he's an asshole, he's a fuck up, he's a loser. Me, I'm perfect. Don't we all think like that? We feel we are okay. You're not okay. You're a piece of shit. You don't look good. You're fat. You're a fucking loser. But me, I'm smart. My opinions, perfect. My logic, outstanding. Funny, right? Everybody else there's something about them, except us. We are perfect. We have our dreams and we have our goals and then there's so much of bullshit here. And today, given that smartphones are there, people are constantly sending messages and opinions and comments and like and share and scrolling and what the fuck happened to life here? What the fuck happened to life? Once upon a time, you would get up in the morning and get ready, prepare food in the village, you know, in the village. Prepare food because you have to eat fast and then keep food for the afternoon. And then go to the field, take the cow, buffalo and go to work. And kheti wadi, you know, in Hindi they say. And work in the field, toil in the sun. And then in the afternoon sit and have some rice and little food and reflect on life. And then after sleeping maybe half an hour in the shade, do work again. And by the time it's evening, come back home, tired, have a shower, then eat food with the family, sit together. And if you had a small TV or something, you'd watch black and white, some news. Today it is replaced with maybe everyone will take their smartphone and look. And then on time sleep and repeat the same shit again. That's life, no? Repeat the same shit again. Yeah, just think about it, you know. Every day we are doing the same thing, man. Every day we get up in the morning, brush our teeth, comb our, no hair to comb, have a shower, go to the toilet. Every day same. Just think about it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Sunday is holiday. Okay, so let's start from Monday. Monday, you get up, go to the toilet, get ready, everything, rush to office. Finish work, come back home, shower, watch a little TV, sleep. Monday is first. Tuesday, same thing, sleep. Wednesday, get up, do the same thing, sleep. Thursday, same thing. Friday, same thing. And one day you get off, or 2 days you get off. And we do this every day. The only thing that changes is we start becoming older. I'm 20 years old, I was doing this the whole day. Become 21 years old, doing this every day. 22, 23. At some point you decide to have a girlfriend or boyfriend or get married and have a life. Now both you and your partner sleeping, getting up, doing the same thing. One day you have a baby, then all three of you get up and do the same thing. And we do the same thing until it's like a product, its warranty runs out. Product becomes old and dies. Yes, there are some people who have cosmetic surgery and they change their face and make their skin tight and Botox and implants, and like Jennifer Lopez operation and wear a tight outfit where her vagina, camel toe can be seen, and sexy ass, and then there are other people like Kim Kardashian, naked, covering their vagina and covering their breasts and taking photographs and making millions out of desperate people. Like this young girl, she's on OnlyFans. She has requests for her underwear without washing it. Give it as it is. And she gets even request, please can you shit in that and send it to me. And she gets 4,000 British pounds or dollars, I don't know. So our entire life is spent on earning money, paying our bills, saving, hoping for the future. And in between we have our drama, fights and family and romances and breakups and promotions and demotion and job loss and new business and more money and and then yes, you have people who say, Loy, do you know why you're doing all this? No. It's one day you'll die and you'll go to God in a Christian heaven or Muslim heaven or Hindu paradise. But if you don't listen to him, hell, fire, the guy with the horns, and suffering for eternity. So which one do you want? That is your purpose in life, Loy. God has a special plan. Nobody has seen heaven or hell, but you read it in one book, one. Forget all the books of science. Forget all the evidence. This one book gives you all the answers. Magic book. I don't want to get into this atheist and religious nonsense. Sometimes I wonder what is the use of all this here. Seriously, what is like? Sometimes I see this centipede, and I don't know, you call it centipede or millipede or whatever. In science, I never paid attention. But you see this worm crossing this path, gets squished by a car or by someone's foot. So what is the purpose of this centipede? Oh, it doesn't have a soul? What's the purpose of this buffalo or cow? I think end of the day, no, we are all trying to find our meaning, our purpose, our reason to live, or many of us even don't bother about that. We just go through the motions. Every day get up like a robot, go to work, come back home, sleep. Next day do the same. Do it until the month end. Gets a salary. Yay, I got a salary. Yay. Okay, spend money, spend money. Okay, here's rent, electricity, shopping. Oh, toys. And now I'm broke. Now do it all over again for 1 month. To earn money again. I tell my wife, sometimes I don't have any interest to live. Seriously. Just don't have any interest to live, man. What the fuck is this? I told her my entire life is dedicated to taking care of you and the baby and saving money, and I find it pointless, Anyway, what to do? Have you ever wondered, you're doing the same thing over and over again? What the fuck is all this? Wouldn't it be nice to win 1 million, 10 million, 100 million or something, and then not be bothered about life? Relax, chill pill. Take a pill, chill pill, man. Like they have these dreams, travel the world and enjoy life and relax on the beach and do whatever you like. I wish I got that 1 billion. Now it's not even million. Billion, trillion, gazillion. I sound like an old man. Fed up. Anyway, I just thought I'd share all this with you. I don't know, man, it's, honestly, sometimes I just wonder what the fuck is all this. Whole life we're just slaves to money. Earn money, spend money. Earn money, spend money. Earn money, spend money. And in between, pepper that happiness. Oh, life is not about money. It's about being with the ones you love and spending time with the ones you love and praying to God and doing good to humanity and blah, blah, blah. But fundamentals. Get up, work, earn money, spend money. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this. Nothing. I don't know if it helps you. Just going on like an old man. Seriously. I just wonder what's life, Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you. Maybe one day I can be like a guru, Sadguru Sadguru 10.0, Loy Guru, Swami Loy. I'll have an ashram, I'll sit with a beard, and people, sir, Guruji, what is the meaning of life? Please put $197, I'll give you the meaning. Yes, Guruji, here, take the donation for this ashram. I think that's the best, Pandit Giri. And I don't know what, you tell me, what's the meaning of life? All this existence. And please don't give me some religious bullshit. And do you feel the same way sometimes like I feel? What the fuck is all this? Anyway. Put your thoughts below. Alright? We signing off. Ciao.